Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. Today, we'd like to share how to determine the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of three numbers by using the Euclidean algorithm. Recall that the highest common factor of the three numbers is actually equal to the highest common factor of the highest common factor of the two numbers and the other number. Thus, I'm going to first determine the highest common factor of the first two numbers. Write the biggest number on the left-hand side of the equation, while the smaller number on the right. And now, figure out the quotient and the remainder to make this equation whole. To understand better, let's consider long division. Take 12 divides 36, and we should have a quotient of 3, where 3 times 12 equal to 36 with a remainder of 0. So let's write it here. 3 times 12 plus 0 is equal to 36. Whenever we obtain a remainder of 0, which means that we can stop here and conclude that the highest common factor of 12 and 36 is equal to the number here, which is 12. And we can now determine the lowest common multiple of the numbers 12 and 36, which is equal to the product 12 multiplying 36 divided by the highest common factor, which is equal to 12. And we obtain 36. Now, let's proceed to 160 by using the highest common factor 12. Since we have obtained the highest common factor of 12 and 36, which is equal to 12, and we can now be able to obtain the highest common factor for these three numbers, which is equivalent to the highest common factor of 12 and 160. Write the biggest number on the left-hand side and set equal to the smaller number on the right-hand side. Think a quotient and a remainder to make this equation whole. I'm going to take a quotient of 13, multiply 12 plus 4 is equal to 160. And now forward the divisor 12 and the remainder 4 to the next step. Let's make this equation whole. And this time, we should have a quotient of 3 times 4 plus 0 is equal to 12. Once we obtain a remainder of 0, that means that we can stop here. And we can now determine the highest common factor of the three numbers, which is equal to this number 4. And we should now be able to determine the lowest common multiple of the three numbers. By using the similar idea, we should have lowest common multiple of the lowest common multiple of 12 and 36 and the other number 160. The number that we have determined for the lowest common multiple of 12 and 36 is equal to 36. So we should determine the lowest common multiple of 36 and 160 for all the three numbers, which is equal to the product of the two numbers 36 times 160 divided by the highest common factor of the three numbers, which is 4. And we should obtain 1440, and hence we're done. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.